Hey guys, welcome back. Today just doing a bit of a clean up of the drift car. So just got some CT18 truck wash. Just got the wheels off, gonna get up on stands. Give all the rims a bit of a clean up. Also under the guards and just check for any wear and tear. Yeah, so at the back of the car, nothing special. We just got HQ shocks, Skyline rear calipers, Project Mu pads, and then we run a 20mm bolt-on spacer just to clear the wheel. Then up front, just A86 based. Got RX7 calipers. Not sure what pads they are, but yeah, they've worked really well. So we've got the pressure washer out with the foam cannon, mixed up some truck wash, and then just gave under the guards a really good cleaning out all underneath the car. So JD Max Park, we parked in mud, dirt a lot, did rain a lot on the way up there, and while we're up there. So yeah, get everything and give it a good clean up because we've got a little bit of work to do on the car. Can't actually remember the last time we pressure washed the inside of the guards, but I'm actually surprised how well they come up. Still pretty good condition. So while it's up in the air and clean, just checking for any leaks. Did find the axle seals gone on the right hand side, which it's been weeping for a little bit, but probably get that done before we go out again, get that all sorted out. Also had a window rail fail while we were away. Went to wind the window up and basically the whole glass just shattered, exploded, and was held into place by just a tint. So go for a bit of a rummage and found I had a couple of doors with glass doing them, so we'll get that glass out. Might even have a go at tinting them myself.